Ager, with a decade of excellence in manufacturing detection equipment and testing instruments, stands as a beacon of quality and innovation. Our commitment to delivering high-performance solutions has positioned us as a leading manufacturer in the industry. Our journey has been marked by continuous research, development, and sales of cutting-edge detection devices. Strategic alliances with major companies in the United States have enabled us to offer customized testing instruments that cater to a wide array of environmental monitoring needs. Our flagship product, the efficient outdoor air quality monitor, is designed to provide real-time data, ensuring that users have the information they need to safeguard health and well-being. Ager's OEM partnership model is tailored for businesses seeking to differentiate themselves with unique, high-quality products. Our low-volume OEM customization services mean that even smaller orders can be tailored to meet specific requirements, ensuring that your product stands out. To discuss how our efficient outdoor air quality monitor can be integrated into your product lineup, or to explore customization options, please do not hesitate to contact us. Reach out through the email on my profile page, and let's embark on a partnership that promises efficiency, reliability, and excellence in environmental monitoring. Your vision, combined with our expertise, can create a healthier, more sustainable future.